Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Practice, your favorite podcast to improve your English while having fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Today's episode is one of our favorites. We'll be talking about our favorite English words, what they mean, and how to use them naturally in daily and professional conversations.
Exactly. We'll share not just the meanings, but also real life stories and examples behind each word so you can feel the language, not just learn it.
We'll also talk about pronunciation, tone, and even the emotional power of certain words. So grab your notebook and let's dive in.
David, what's one of your all time favorite English words?
Hmm, I'd say resilience. It means the ability to recover quickly from difficulties, like when life hits you hard, but you bounce back stronger.
That's beautiful. I love that word too. It's often used in professional and personal development contexts. For example, our team showed great resilience during the pandemic.
Yes. And what about you, Anna? What's your favorite?
I think mine is curiosity. It means a strong desire to learn or know something. It's what keeps us growing, especially when learning a new language.
Totally agree. Without curiosity, learning becomes mechanical. When you're curious, you listen differently. You ask questions and you connect deeper.
Let's move to words that can change the way we think. My pick is gratitude. It's a simple but powerful word, meaning appreciation for what we have or experience.
Right. In business communication, gratitude can improve relationships too. Saying thank you for your time or I appreciate your support builds trust.
Exactly. Gratitude changes how we speak. When we focus on what's positive, our tone becomes warmer and more confident.
My favorite mindset word is possibility. It reminds me that no matter how hard things get, there's always another way.
Yes, that's a motivating one. And it fits perfectly in coaching, leadership, or teamwork conversations.
Okay, let's have some fun. What's a word that makes you smile every time you say it?
Ooh, serendipity. It means finding something good by accident. For example, meeting you at that conference was pure serendipity.
That's a lovely one. Mine is laughter. Simple but powerful. Laughter connects people faster than any language.
Totally. And both words are great for storytelling. They make your speech sound natural and human.
So, listeners, practice saying these words out loud. Feel how your mouth moves when you say serendipity. It flows, doesn't it?
Let's get more professional now. Words that help in business or workplace conversations.
Sure. One of my top words is collaboration. It means working together toward a shared goal.
Yes, a great example. Our success depends on effective collaboration between departments.
And yours, Anna?
Mine is integrity. It's about being honest and consistent, doing the right thing even when no one is watching.
That's a leadership word. In meetings, saying our company values integrity makes you sound strong and trustworthy.
Exactly. And another professional favorite is innovation. It means creating new ideas, products, or methods.
Right, innovation keeps the world moving forward. It's a great word to use when talking about technology, business growth, or creativity.
Let's add some expressions now. What's your go to English idiom, David?
Hmm, I love the ball is in your court. It means it's your turn to take action or make a decision.
That's perfect for meetings or negotiations. Like, we've presented our proposal. Now the ball is in your court.
Exactly. And yours?
Mine is break the ice. It means to start a friendly conversation in a new or awkward situation.
Ah, yes, like in business networking. He told a funny story to break the ice.
Yes, and idioms make your English sound more native and confident.
So, listeners, here's a challenge for you. Create your favorite word journal.
Every week, write down 5 new words that inspire you with meanings, sentences, and how they make you feel.
And practice them in conversation. Say them naturally when you talk with friends, colleagues, or in your English class.
Exactly. The more you use a word, the more it becomes a part of you.
So, we hope today's episode inspired you to fall in love with English words again.
Yes, because learning English isn't just about grammar, it's about connection, curiosity, and expression.
So, keep learning, stay curious, and choose words that make your heart and your English shine.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Don't forget to follow us for more easy English conversation practice every week.
See you next time. Bye.